The idea behind the setting up of the Colorectal Cancer Survivorship Society of Malaysia, or Corum in short, was mooted in the early parts of 2012 by a group of clinicians along with colorectal cancer survivors. Now, the birth of Corum officially was made in the month of August 2013. As awareness of colorectal cancer has grown over the years, so too is the recognition that management of colorectal cancer is not all about, proper medical or healthcare services, but also the significance of providing good amount of emotional, psychological, and social support. That's where Corum steps in. Now, when one is diagnosed with colorectal cancer, it's not just the patient alone, but the entire family goes through a roller coaster ride of ups and downs. It is a life-changing event. Now, at Corum, we provide a safe space where patients can share their personal experiences and hear other patients or survivors who've gone through the entire mill of treatment. I'm just going to explain a little terminology what we formed a couple of years back called butts and guts. And I think it's got a lot of meaning and a sense behind it. Butts in reference to buddies. When a cancer survivor is linked up to another person who has gone through the entire mill of treatment, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, it takes a lot of anxiety away. And the term guts, as we all know, it's in reference to courage. So butts and guts. Now, the other phrase, which I'm just going to expand a little bit more, is a terminology which makes a lot of reference in terms of screening for colorectal cancer. It stands for nip the butts, save the guts. As we know, butts here is a reference to polyps, and polyps are precursors to cancer. When someone has a scope done and there are polyps which are retrieved during the scope, we are nipping the butts away. And by that essence, we are saving the guts. So always remember, screening entails nipping the butts, saving the guts. Apart from providing psychosocial support, Corum plays a very important role in education, educating people in terms of prevention and early detection of cancer. The importance and significance of screening. As we all know, screening saves lives. Now, from our small, humble beginnings 10 years ago, Corum has expanded, and now we currently provide volunteer services to numerous hospitals, both in the private and the public sector, not just within the Klang Valley, but in different parts of the country as well. We have a strong relationship with the Ministry of Health, and we have a strong recognition or alliances with the societies like the TAC organization, Together Against Cancer, and the National Cancer Society of Malaysia, along with several other international organizations. Corum's mission is simple. It's to ensure that no one has to fight colorectal cancer alone.